Greetings to everybody who tune in to Dancehall Critics channel once again. Today me come to talk about Mavado Drake situation. You saw me as a people. And of course you don't know Mavado. I feel come make Drake know say yo Drake. Me not afraid of you no Drake. Where you the Drake? Our ball game this in a Drake. You come try step in a general. You saw me as say something with me master. You saw me as say something with me manage to create an iconic image of myself inner. You saw me a deal it. I'm gonna tell you something, Drake. Nobody feel like when you hear man say gangster for life and man say badness. You feel like a joke thing, Drake. Drake, know yourself here, man. You saw me I say, and that's why Mavado drop enemy line for make Drake know say yo Drake. All I try where you try change your identity to be one of we dog. You not real me youth. You saw me I say, you come talk about burn bridges and all of these things I come through over. Dog, no way you do, you come at this way. You saw me as a people, but check it.
Tell soft and fake, look a sheep, look a marmon. Die trying, but you will never be a yard man. The martian I say me full of my pakaba.
So people, I could have never find a better way for, you know me I say, find something to give you as supporting evidence to some degree. You saw me I said, this writer so clearly indicates say, him talk to somebody where oppose as, you know me I say, I try to, where I say, I try to create a different identity for themselves or oppose as somebody else. You saw me I say, and not to mention, you know, the man say, tell soft and fake. You saw me I say, yo, and the little man. So maybe he might refer to Drake as the man, and then he must, the soft and the fake probably is the popcorn, right? That's of viewers and subscribers. You saw me I say, because in an enemy line, you know, the man now just shoot the shot off at Drake. He might fire pan popcorn as well. And that's the reason why I make the man make it be clear, say, yo, dog, me ambidextrous, dog. Me bust it with 2-1. You saw me I say, so the only thing me could have envisioned when me hear the man say that is him have two machines in him and a fire one pan Drake and one pan popcorn at the same time. Simultaneous occurrence, viewer subscribers. More you have to drop your comment below and tell me what you think, people. You saw me I say, Mavado don't care if Drake want to be hip-hop or whatever musical giant. You saw me I say, Mavado, I make him know, say, dog, me I go stand up and me I go represent Gully side. Me I go represent Cassava piece. In fact, me I go defend my own. Me I go make no man feel, say, yo, him can come walk over with. You saw me I say, furthermore, in our game, we are no theme. You saw me I say, people, and no time for even, and no time for even all I worry about them kind of thing there. You see me I say, people, so who is him for one come go and like say, want come disturb my peace? You saw me I say? Tell me what you think in the comment section, viewer, subscriber. People, for create more of a further breakdown, seeing when Mavado make certain mentioning, seeing as far as when him say, yo, dog, seeing as far as the look of clip on my play earlier, where it clear say, yo, him a talk about somebody. See, of course, we know what Drake him attack. Because we know Drake always a try make songs that sound very similar to that of a Yardman. The style, the lingo. You saw me as a people. And the whole, the overall persona where you try to, you know me I say, emulate Drake. It Mavado point out and dash in him face, people. You saw me as a people. So I just want to kind of create that clarity there. Just so you know, say, and realize for true and sure. And be convinced, say, yo, Mavado is responding to Drake. You saw me I say? Remember I said Drake are the one where did talk about, where did I sing the little part and drop into little Arabic language. You saw me I say? And I said about, oh, niggas want peace. Like cassava, but man burn them bridge like grabber. Of course you know I'm Mavado them attack. And then even the fact, you know, him did even throw a little Gaza in night too, you know. But just said, Gaza, I know you me attack, man. At them boy, I want peace. Like cassava. Ooh, cassava piece. Mavado. You see me I say? And that's why Mavado no waste no time. Mavado make some man know, say, dog, yeah, look a boy, you're not bad man. No, nothing about badness. Let me teach you, no, dog. You see me I say, people? Tell me what you think in the comment section, viewer, subscribe. People, I want to know if you take in account, you see me I say, like, just even the simple artwork. You see me I say? Boom, dog, you cross the line kind of thing. You see the big old cut or slash in between enemy line right there, so. You see me I say, so right there, some man I make you know clear, say, yo, dog, I cross the line and now you get me cross too. You see me? And even the symbolism right there, so people. I make the man them know, say, yo, dog, or the opponent them. See? Or the aggressors them know, say, yo, dog, me no in no time for no play thing. Boy, you dead, you know. You saw me, I say, you see the little AK lean up. Not even say the little AK, the AK-47 lean up on what appears to be a cross. You saw me, I say, and of course, all of these things signifies treachery. You saw me, I say, a murderous moment. You saw me, I say, people. So you get the imagery, you get the vibes. And not to mention the rhythm also synchronized with where man I try saying, no, dog. And you don't know, say, Mavado one of the baddest things in a dancehall. And when I say bad, I mean it in its literal sense. Because Mavado no back from people. Mavado has never been somebody way back from people. Not then and definitely not now. And definitely not with somebody when even, you know what I say, when they even in the genre. Somebody where I try be a part of the genre. Somebody where seem fear try change them identity to be what Mavado is naturally is. You saw me as a people, adapt Mavado point out. You saw me as a people, I want to take them things into account. So remember, pay keen or close attention to the artwork and see the symbolism and see what it represents. You will know where Mavado depend. You see me I say? Mavado even start out the song and say, yo, Drake, you put yourself behind enemy line, dog. So that means you make it clear, say, yo, you side with Popcorn now. I want to come after me. I want to come go and you want this way or violate the gully side. You saw me I say, I'm a place, cassava piece. It not gonna work, you know, dog. Because me a one man where me no take styling from people and me no run from people, dog. You saw me I say, dog, in fact, I will show all my ratchet in your ugly face, in your barney ears, as Mavado mentioned in his song. So Mavado make some a blatant this and plain out and straight. Say, yo, dog, me no in a no fucker and me no afraid of none of uno, dog. You saw me I say, the man say, yo, you could have been the pastor or the headmaster for the church. Seeing, that to me represents, say, yo, like I had previously mentioned, viewer subscribers, say, Mavado no business if this man I want to be seen as an iconic figure or a hip-hop giant and all of these things. Him a war, we just said it. Because I'm not going to make nobody take no step on him. You saw me I say, people, and I eat like I said before, the man make it be known, say, yo, Drake, if you are forward to, you know, for the war, you know, me no response, you know, dog. Because me no afraid of uno. And me know say Popcorn in your ears too. And me know say Popcorn like me need that. So me know say me I got expect it 2 hours to come after me. So yeah what? Me ambidextrous. And me fire 2 gun one time. I murder the 2 hours. Remember the man say it in a song. The man say them have to charge him for murder. Because him not try put no boy up and no drip and no plug up and all of these things. You saw me as a people. The man say no pharma hospital, no pharma surgical and or surgery rather. You saw me I say? Nothing at all. You saw me I say, I go basically be put in place to save this man alive when I fire AK. You saw me I say? The man say, boy, them attack up all them suck pussy mouth. When we use the K and left them blood up. So Drake, the man I make you know straight. Boy, you talk, boy, you go burn up where and burn up where. Dog, you eat that, man. You saw me I say, the man say, yo, tap on the murder scene. And basically left it nasty and mud up and blood up. You saw me I say? And dirty. Gruesome scene. Treacherous. Other vibes them Mavado are basically paint. Or the picture rather. You saw me I say, people, I would like you to drop your comment below and tell me what you think about my reasoning. This is just my interpretation based on what me hear. You saw me I say, people, I would like you to tell me what you think. Me there I wonder if a historical moment this, because we never yet see a dancehall artist square off with a hip hop pop kind of artist where obviously I try to be like a dancehall artist. If you don't get to me I say something different this, because I say people, when I listen to most of Drake new material, you hear the yard lingo, the hardcore night. You know me I say? They look at style them, they look at craft them, they look at tactics them, even look at words and phrases used in a different parts of them lyrics. You know, say, are the strong yard dancehall influence that. You saw me as a people. So tell me now, who is him for come go on like him want come this Mavado? And I hit Mavado say, oh, so you cross the line, my general. Me have to make you know, man. Me have to give it to you. Me have to make you know, so we have a big thing them boy, your dog, and we are murderer. We not run from people. And we not take stylings or go on like, we are go Craigland or some local boy, are going to want to take step away. It no work over here, so dog. So I hit Mavado make him know. You see me I say? No, me there I wonder if Drake go respond to Mavado. Or, you think say Popcorn go respond? What you would think? Tell me in the comment section. You see me I say, people, and not to mention, you know, the man even say, yo, Drake, you know about Drake, you don't know about crime, Drake. You don't know nothing about them kind of thing. That you come go and you want come take step a man and come page me, diss me, and the gully side. Know yourself, Drake. You saw me I say, the man say, yo dog, my heart cold right now, like snow. So the man emphasize on how cold-hearted him is. Remember, the man tell about the murder scene, how he might do it. He might have left it gruesome and treacherous. Nasty and dirty. as he mentioned. Now, it is up to Drake if he might go choose that route. You saw me I say? Or he might go hear Mavado respond to him and leave it alone. Tell me what you think I got happen, viewers and subscribers. Because Mavado basically march out to the whole like ammunition them and the whole like badness in that song and make some man know say, yo dog, me not afraid of Uno. You saw me I say? So who is Uno want for come go on like say Uno want come style me and come this man? Dog, any man will rise up against the goalie side or Mavado. I get shell. You saw me I say? I get blood up. I get dirt. And at that Mavado is saying an enemy line. Drake, will he answer? All of them things that we are going to basically sit down and wait to see if it going to happen. You saw me I say people? I don't answer critics, people. Am I reasoning this? Enemy line. Mavado this back Drake and make him know say, yo, me a bad man and me not take stylings. I bad up from no boy. You saw me I say people? Tell me what you think in the comment section. I don't answer critics again. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, ring the bell icon, like, comment, share. I'm out.